All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this a little bit. And so, last Friday, as Vinny pointed out, there were a couple of things that were left undiscussed from the lecture that we should go over. That I believe just covering a couple of things are going to help you kind of flush this out and finish this assignment. So when we're looking at this assignment, we have some links kind of going across the top, which are your topics, right? So Bootstrap's a topic, C Sharp, JavaScript, and then categories on the left. And so kind of following the pattern here is all of these have a slash topic and then the topic ID as a string. So slash topic slash boot, C Sharp, and JavaScript.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, sure. There you go. And so to create this, the one piece that we haven't talked about is this helper attribute, which is the ASP hyphen route. And this last piece here is dynamic. So ASP hyphen route slash topic. I'm just going to, for the sake of this demo, do topic 3. Just so we could see, I think just showing how these different pieces work on the front end. So if I just add topic 3 and then equals, and then in here I'm just going to put instead of having a dynamic topic ID, I'll just say something cheese. So how does this, if I were to hard code it like this for all of my links, granted I put some topics in a view bag, I'm not showing that, we're looping over some topics. And if I were to just kind of relaunch this, and again, you have to pay attention to the hover effect when I'm hovering my links. Just see the effect there. So now instead of getting a slash topic slash hard value, it's actually coming across in a query string. So let me take that back. So if I bring this topic, let's just save it back to topic, and I refresh that hover effect. Okay, so it's really interesting to me. Notice when I have something like, let's just topic A, because obviously a number kind of broke it. So let me go topic A, refresh.
We don't see the hover effect.
Down here. Down here is the hover effect. This is where I'm looking. Sorry about that. So this will actually show you where the link is going. That's what I'm looking at. Now when I put the word topic in there, if I put anything else that's not actually topic, well, first off, let me back out. Right? So this helper, this was the original value. So the route topic equals, so there's, what the user is seeing is right here, right? So this piece right here in between the opening A and the closing A, the t.name, that's what's getting bootstrap into my link, and that's working. And when I put these two pieces, right, the ASP route topic and then in quotes the topic ID, well, what is topic ID? Topic ID is a string, which ultimately is boot, CS, or JavaScript. And So here, ASP route topic. Now, if I were to type in this for my IntelliSense, you can see ASP route hyphen, but there's nothing after it. So this last piece is dynamic. When I say topic, this is dynamically filled in by you. And so in Discord, I kind of put a couple of loops that you could use. And so this is looping through my topics. And here, ASP route topic. This is the same loop, but for looping for categories. Keep in mind, categories was on that sidebar. So this is looping through my categories in my view bag categories. And here we're doing kind of the same kind of thing. But we have ASP route topic and ASP route category. This piece right here, for the category, is the same difference as this one right here. But it is very specific to those two names, topic and category. If I try something else, yeah, Josh.
I just wanted to see what your controller looked like with having category, since I thought it was supposed to be just cat.
Sure. Sure. So my controller.
And then the route above. So it is category.
So this was the other piece that I didn't cover in the lecture. So the first part that I didn't cover in the lecture, and I do want to dive a little bit deeper into this, is this helper tag. Because this helper tag ultimately is what's generating our links to go to that path. /topic/boot, /topic/cs, /topic/js. What's weird to me is I can piece together where the topic ID is where you're getting that last piece, /boot. Topic ID makes perfect sense. T topic ID equals /boot. But this last piece here, ASP route topic, again, as I'm demonstrating this, ASP route, there's no autofill. So if I were to say route, watch equals watch. And obviously, so you might almost expect that to be /watch1 /watch2, right? Based on that syntax. But it becomes a query string. It says watch1 equals watch2. So the question is, what is it specifically about the ASP route topic that makes that? Yeah, Ryan.
I think I have an idea of what it could be.
Yeah.
Because in your controller, you're setting the route on that attribute to be a certain route and to say a certain thing. So maybe it's just taking that when it matches up. That's when it gives you the correct.
So since everything else is by convention,
Yeah. That's why
/topic, that's a good observation. Since everything else we're doing here is by convention, that if it doesn't match exactly, in other words, ASP route topic will get you here /topic, and then this topic is ultimately going to be what's coming in right here. I think you're right about that. That was unclear to me based on my reading of the book. I don't know. Again, I don't remember reading this in the book, which is why I'm kind of scratching my head a little bit. But that's the best explanation. I think you're right about that. I think that's a good guess because everything else is by convention, right? So here we're saying that topic has to match one of the routes, this piece right here. And then the topic that's coming in is coming here. Now, some of you piece this together, right, on Friday, that your method needs two potential inputs, right? You need a potential topic and a potential category. So my recommendation on Friday was to get just the topics working by themselves. So just worry about the topics going across the top. And I was working with Josh, and 20 minutes later, 30 minutes later, we got the topics working. The next piece then is to get the categories working, right? So get the topics working by themselves, get the categories working by themselves. Obviously, category, going back here, this category, the links on the side have the flexibility of having a topic and a category. Now notice my topics did not, but my category had the flexibility of having both. Now you can select a category. If I go over here, you're going to notice that it's just showing /category/hist /category/gen, right? So that's just working on the categories. So this is using, when you just select the category, that's using the route, again, back on the controller, that's this one right here, right? But to have the flexibility to have both, here we have a topic/category/category. Obviously, this is static, this is dynamic, this is static, this is dynamic. Then inside of your index action method, you want to check to see if the string is not null or empty. If the string is not null or empty, then you can apply the additional filters, right? If the topic is not null or empty, apply the filter, the where filter. If the category is not null or empty, apply the where filter. So this is basically, hey, the page is loaded. This is if the user applies a topic. This is if the user applies a category. This route is for both. So there's basically two pieces of missing information. The first piece are these various routes, and the second piece are these helper tags, which work until they don't match, like Ryan pointed out, one of these routes. The name after this hyphen will need to match a static name in one of your routes.
So what about the program.cs file? Does that need anything extra?
Literally nothing extra,
Okay.
just that default. Here my view bag again. We load up the view bag with a topic. So here, if the user hasn't selected a topic, there'll still be basically a null value inside of here. So I just want to kind of look at this example. If you just select a category, or even when the page is loaded, right? So this breakpoint should hit when the page loads. Okay, so the breakpoint hit, and you can see topic is null. So view bag selected topic is null, obviously, until you put a topic in there. So if I select category, again, topic is still going to be null until ultimately select a topic, and now CS is the topic, right? So until they select a topic, this view bag selected topic is coming from our controller as null. And then if I kind of go back over here, this ASP route topic remains empty until they select something, until they select a topic. So this basically doesn't change our URL until there's something inside of view bag. As soon as there's something view bag selected topic, then it can update our link with that. So then it will show the topic and the category which will then match this last, actually this first route. And then the next thing that kind of comes to mind is this idea of specific to general. Like we did touch on that a little bit on the lecture, is that when you have multiple routes that could be hit, you want to go from the most specific, which again, this is kind of two inputs, to one input apiece, one input here, and then this is just your home route, right? So you would say that this is most specific to most general, top down. All right. So I think with those extra pieces, I think you guys should be good to go for this lab.